Hello, my name is Kyla Chantel. Welcome. So today I'm going to be showing how to fix a lipstick that is broken. So I have my lipstick here. It's actually not really a lipstick, it's more like a lip balm. But I was putting it on and it broke, completely broke. So what you'll need to do this is a lipstick, a Q-tip, and a lighter. So to begin, I'll take my Q-tip and just clean around the edge. So on the inside where it broke, I'll just take my Q-tip and swirl it around just to flatten the surface on the inside. Then I'll take my broken piece and I will use the Q-tip and flatten the base so that when it's time to connect it, it'll connect nicely. You could use the lighter at this point just to soften the lipstick so that it'll get smooth easily. But because I'm using more of a lip balm, I don't really need to do that. At this point, I'll take the lighter. First, I'll just light a little bit in the base so that it'll just melt. This is the lighter that I'm using. You shouldn't need to do a lot to get it to melt. I don't want to burn the plastic. And I'll do the same for the base, just to get it melted. And it melts pretty fast. Once it starts to melt, then I'll push it inside and press it down, not too hard so you don't want it to smush up, and then twist gently. Until it looks like it's in a decent position. Then on mine, I have all these ridges because this is where it broke. So I'm gonna use the lighter to try and smoothen that out. My lighter is giving trouble. There we go. And it melts really fast, so, ooh, it's hot. You only need it doesn't even really need to touch it. Just get close enough so that it starts to melt. So I got the sides to melt down. Now the next thing that you want to do is to put this in the fridge for about an hour, or you can put it in the freezer if you want to do it faster, and let it set, and we'll check on it once it's done. So I've had my lip balm lipstick in the fridge for an hour now, and as you can see, it's all fixed. It's no longer falling out. Strong, so it works for lipstick or lip balm. This is the way to fix it. I left it in for about an hour and that worked perfectly for me. So if you try it, let me know how it works for you. It's pretty simple. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.